Yo, what's up y'all? Welcome back to the second Lightroom editing on the channel. In this episode we are going to be doing a color grade and chill. So grab yourself a coffee, a wine, light up that blunt and pass it round. You know what to do. Enjoy the video.
And yeah, the procedure is pretty much the same with your phone, your laptop or your iPad. So yeah, and as always there will be a preset link down below so you can go ahead and grab it.
Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? When you know, when you touch, when you feel, yeah. When you know, when you touch, when you feel, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When you know, when you touch, when you feel, yeah. When you know, when you touch, when you feel, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You've been talking about patience, hoping for everlasting. You're known for talking crazy. I know it's infatuation. You know how I feel inside. You know what is real and I rock with your vibe, but I don't think that we should tie. I know for real, I'm your deal. So please set me free. Just let me be. I know for real, I'm the deal. So please set me free. Just let me be. Just let me be. I got a lot to say. I hope you don't feel no way. I hope you don't make the same mistakes when you blow the flame. You're kind of obsessive to me. You're kind of too strong on your feet. I can't say that I guarantee, but I know what you mean to me. I know for real, I'm the deal. So please set me free. Just let me be. I know for real, I'm the deal. So please set me free. just let me be. Just let me be. Holding on to this, holding on. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. Don't let me repeat it. Friends have changed, but so can you. So can you. For too long about the mistakes, while I resent, I learned to hate. Forgot your names. Fear the struggle to follow on. Need to focus to prove you're wrong. I'm not wrong. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on.